All right, we're going to do our first test. Let's just go ahead and assume it's going to not work well. That's how we do testing. We assume that it's not going to work well. So we're going to go ahead and send an invitation. Let's use this account. Okay, so now I'm going to open it in a different tab real quick, or a different window, just in case there's some things should not be seen in my emails. All right, oh, of course. See, that's why you do things. So this is what it says. Can I put that into your? Here, let's see if I can open it. I'll show you what happened. See if that opens directly. So essentially, I sent myself an invite. It says I can't accept the invite because I thought I wouldn't because it says localhost 3000. I've been trying to get people to understand this. Like when you send anything in localhost, people doubt it. So it's not even gonna let me access. So that means what I need to do is come over here where I had this already set up. Go ahead and deploy it. Oh man, okay, so this is gonna be okay. I don't think I want to do this quite yet. I think I want to go here and then go ahead and deploy it. I don't think I've deployed it yet. 1.5 million. I don't think I've deployed it quite yet. And so what I hope will happen is that can I resend this? Might I be able to? Ooh. Okay. All right. Now it's deployed. Okay. I actually know why that happened. So let's see. How do I want to do that? First, I think I'm going to change the favicon back. It's interesting that it can change the favicon to an image. Or maybe that is the image. Can we get real close to the screen? I just want to see this favicon. Okay, messed it up. All right, I got to figure out how to do images. I haven't figured that out yet. That's like really bothering me. Okay, so send a password recovery to myself. Okay, it's still on localhost. That is interesting. I have never. Okay, but it's not anymore. It's deployed. So, all right, I'm still running into errors. So we are going to try to do that and save the $12. So let's see. Let's refresh it. Okay. I don't know any of those mean. Can I just delete this and then redo it again? I don't want to do a magic link because I think that costs money. All right, I'm just gonna delete it. Okay, now there's an error deleting my user. Wow. Okay. Why? I've never had this happen, so I'm glad you all are seeing this in real time. It's a little embarrassing. Can I delete you now? Okay, I can't access it and I can't delete it. So, password recovery. Let's try password recovery again. Okay, still want me to do password recovery. All right. Um, hmm. Let's see. Okay, that's cool. Don't need that though. Well, I know it's not going to let me send another. Oh my gosh. Okay. Um, hmm. Table users. Okay. I really I don't want to mess up anything because I'm afraid that if I delete anything, it'll mess it up before I have time to really understand why it won't delete. But I also don't want to burn another. Okay, so, well, this is going to be a completely different video than I had planned. So I also don't want to burn another email account. So I'm going to go ahead and buy this domain real quick. I don't live there, so it's not really important. I don't know why they ask for your address if you don't live there. Oh, that's a good try to guess what I'm working on. All right, so we're going to move this over. I think we're going to make Swift again. All right, we're going to move a bit faster for this because I really don't want to be doing it right now. And but do what you have to. No, I don't want to do anything that you're showing me right now. Get away from me. Um, I always try and turn off renew just in case. So I'll turn auto renew off. I'm going to go ahead and change this and make the at Where's that? Let's move that over. Okay, so the at is going to be here, I'm pretty sure, if I remember correctly. So we're going to move that there. We're going to verify that connection. That's all right. We'll go ahead and make that primary. And then I'm going to go ahead and cool. And so now I am going to, where's Netlify? Here? Nope. Where's Netlify? Oh, it's not open. And then I'm going to go ahead and verify this in a second. To go to domain management. See, now I've done this enough times. I kind of remember. Interesting. The following text UDNS. Oh, interesting. Okay, I haven't seen that before. I guess because usually I'm doing the whole website on the platform. Probably because I'm doing the whole platform, and this one is the first time that I'm doing a subdomain using Netlify. I'm not even sure it can do subdomains without charging me a fortune. Huh. Should we do that first? And then we do that? But don't I have to set up? Okay, that's what I was like, don't I have to set up the external? Wow, that was a completely different way to do that. Okay. So we're gonna do a CNAME. We'll do app. Oh, nope. App. And then we'll do that. So now you'll see how we set up a custom subdomain. So direct to this page, but can I do like a getadouble.com? Yeah, we go ahead and add a CNAME record for that, which I think there was one that already existed here. So I did that because it essentially tells it that right here is going to say if someone types in getadouble.com without the www, it'll go to the right place. That's actually the primary. And I did that because if getadouble.com is the primary, then that means that when I add this app.getadouble.com, there won't be any issues. It won't be confused like, oh, you need a app.www.getadouble.com. So I just did that. I'm not sure if that was how it would work. I just want to simplify it. So now it says app www.getadouble.com. And then the redirect is so that when then people put in www.getadouble.com, it'll go to where it's supposed to go as well, rather than throwing off an error. These are all just closing the loops on setting up a domain, on an external marketing channel. And then I'll go ahead and publish that. So that is live. Cool. And that's on. So this is called Make Swift. So this is my first time doing this type of thing. Oh, I need to edit this URL. Cool. All right, so that's getadouble.com. Cool. All right. And I'll go ahead and publish that because I changed something. The URL. All right. So now that should work. Should be the operative word. And then this is getting work done. Should be ready. What happened? What did we did point some of it. I think I might have messed something up. We'll work on that later. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and close this down because I have some other stuff I need to do to get ready. But now, how to deploy and set up your DNS records for a sub and a primary.